Hello, Mike. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my wife and my partner Mary earlier today. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for speaking with her, and then as well as watching this video. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out R.S. Andrews Plumbing. So as we see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you type in Buford Plumbing. So I know you guys are located in Buford. So, and I'll explain to you why I chose that keyword here in a second. But you guys can beat them out super easy, and I'll explain how in a second. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about here is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages. And the reasoning behind that is because Google believes that's not only going to keep customers on your page longer, more importantly to Google, is going to keep them on Google longer, right? So Google's all about making money. So they believe people being on Google longer is going to give them more chance to sell these ads they have here. So there's ads on the top of the page and as well as on the bottom of these pages right here as well. So Google's crawling these websites, seeing who has the most content, the most authoritative content, to put them front and center on prime time right here, because we all know the value and importance on being on this front page of Google. About 70% of customers don't go past this first page right here. So Google understands that. So high content is part of Google's ranking factor when it comes to putting people on these front pages. So the other factor is keywords. So like I mentioned before, Buford Plumbing is a keyword you guys want to be ranked for, because this gets about 480 searches a month. So definitely a keyword you guys want to be ranking for, and throwing this on your website on this home page right here will allow Google to understand that you do offer Buford Plumbing right here. So when people are searching this keyword, Google's going to crawl your website and actually rank you for that keyword. And it's also important. Atlanta Plumbing gets about 2,400 searches a month, so that's another very, very high volume keyword that you guys want to be ranking for as well. Because if you can dominate Atlanta Plumbing keyword, then you'll definitely be able to dominate everything else in the surrounding areas as well. So for my second tip is called backlinks. So a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. So this is very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see relevant companies that's vouching for your company. And they'll give you a lot more power and a lot more credibility for using other plumbers or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut that's sending links back to your website, because Google knows and understands that you don't make pizzas for a living, right? So they're not going to give you much credibility for using those type of links. So I like to use a website called Ahrefs to check this. So as we see, you guys currently have 7 different websites sending out 30 total backlinks. So that's 30 times BufordPlumbing.com is located in 7 different websites. And we see here you guys currently aren't using any keywords. So definitely a lot of room for growing, and it's not a bad thing right here, because if you're able to get this up, it's definitely gonna grow your guys' business like tremendously. So if you hop over here to RS Andrews right here, I like to go after just the top people, because if we can go after them and go after and beat the big dogs, we'll definitely be able to beat out everybody else. So we see they have over 1,000 different websites, giving them almost 8,000 backlinks. So this is something that you're gonna be able to do overnight, but definitely something that we can definitely strive for. This is like this is a franchise, obviously, so they're not just located in Georgia, but so we definitely want to go after these guys right here, because you see they are ranked right here at the top of Google when you typing in for Buford as well. So so as far as backlinks, we can see exactly what websites they have their business listed in, and if these were good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked as well. So you want to come in here. A lot of these are blogs. Some of these are directories. So you just create an account and then drop a link back to your website in the comment or in the blog post. So very easy stuff. You don't want to just take anyone though. You want to take the high powerful, the high volume, high authoritative ones, and then go out and get more. Because if we're gonna take these guys out, we're gonna have to go out and get better ones as well. So with those 2 tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic section, which is everything under these ads and under this map pack right here. So that's the organic listing section. If you want to be ranked number 1 right here in this map pack section, this has everything to do with citations. And citations is basically your business name, address, and phone number that's listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just anywhere you can list your business information, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. And we see you guys have 30 citations right here. These guys have 79 right here. So, but similar to backlinks, we can literally just come in here. We can see exactly what citations and what directories they have their business listed in. And I would suggest going out and grabbing all of these for your business. And if they have 79, I would honestly go out and get 150 just to really blow these guys out of the water. So you can literally, all these are free to sign up. So I recommend going out and grabbing these. But that pretty much wraps it up for you right here, Mike. So I tried to be quick and brief as possible. So quick recap, we just went over just content, just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on here, and as well as those high volume keywords in the area that you guys want to be ranking for to let Google know that you do provide these services, and they'll actually rank you for those keywords as well. So, and then going out and grabbing those backlinks and getting more powerful ones just to really beat these guys. And then it's the same thing as far as the citations in the directory. So again, my name is Devin and my partner's name is Mary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you.